Hi, this is Tanya Atomic, and this is my Allure Beauty Box unboxing. The Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. It's a monthly subscription, and this is the first one. I just signed up for this. Now, I think something broke because it's wet on the bottom here, so I'm a little bit apprehensive right now. Yes, this is wet. So this talks about what's in the box, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox right now. Okay, this is what was in here. Unfortunately, it's a hydrating and calming serum that came undone, and it is now all over the inside of this box. I only have this much left. So that's a little bit unfortunate for the first item in my very first box to kind of be ruined. I mean, I'll use the rest of this, but see how there's only like a teeny bit left out of there. That's sad. Okay, but let's move on to happier things and see what else is in here. I have to wipe off everything because it all has that stuff on it. Anyway, this is a Car Skin Balancing Toner. I don't have very much toner. I just have a teeny bit of toner left right now, so that is good timing. This is actually in a glass, frosted glass bottle. That's very pretty. It says that it is rose and orange blossom. So I'll go ahead and I'm pretty happy about that one. Next we have this Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, and I like this stuff. I've used this stuff before. My hair is very, very curly. It can get frizzy, and I always like hair oils and that kind of thing. And this is frizz fighting, heat protecting, detangling, and this is actually, it smells nice and it works pretty well. Then we have Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I've heard good things. I've never used this before. And it looks like a sample size, but it's actually a pretty large sample size. 0.33 ounces. So it's a pretty large sample size that definitely will last me months. I have other translucent powders as well, so it'll probably last me more than a couple months, but I do like this. I want to try this, and it's a good size. Then we have Alpine Berry Water Cream. So I'm glad there's another cream in here, because that one, anyway, this is a small size, pretty small sample size. The bottom is hollowed out, so it's a lot smaller than it seems, but it looks like there's a good enough. When I use creams like this, you know, you usually just use like a small dime size amount for your whole face, and so they end up lasting a while. I like these samples too because you can travel with them very easily. Then there's Dermagreen Solution Color Correcting Treatment. I don't really have spots on my face, but I do have a teeny dark spot here in my hand. I put some color corrector on it before and it's smaller. I don't know, maybe I'll try it there. Then we have, Ciate Highlighting Balm. I like Ciate. I have a lot of Ciate stuff. I have some of their powder highlighters. Oh, so this is actually in a stick form, balm form. Interesting. This says, swipe fingers over product and pat and roll into skin. Over makeup is best. And it is very subtle. This is like for a real subtle, natural, kind of dewy look. So, I don't have anything like this. I have a lot of shiny, high shine kind of highlighters. I've got a few champagne-y shiny highlighters that are natural color, but I don't have anything like this. Like, seriously, this is sort of a light gloss that just picks up the light and doesn't have like a shimmer in it. So that's kind of neat. I'm gonna try this out. And then the last thing in here is Thrive Cosmetics. I love Thrive Cosmetics. I like their mascara. I like other stuff that I've used, but everything I've tried by them, but I haven't tried a whole lot. So this is a lip liner. And this is the color here. It's a brown. This is, I mean, you know, it goes on real creamy smooth. And I think this will be probably just as good as everything else I've tried by them. And and it's a full size. So it's nice to have that. And that is everything in this box. Unfortunately, it's all wet on the bottom, sadly, but I will get good use out of everything else that's in here. So pretty happy about that. I like all the items. I will definitely try and use all the items. We do get a full-size lip liner, a full-size glossy highlighting balm, and a large sample of the Laura Mercier powder. So I think it is definitely a good value. That is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.